What if you could use free AI tools to start making money online, even if you have no experience? AI is changing the way people work, and thousands of freelancers, creators, and entrepreneurs are using it to save time and earn income. In this video, I'll show you practical ways to use AI tools to build online income. Welcome to AI Simplified. In this tutorial, you'll learn beginner-friendly ways to use AI tools for freelancing, content creation, digital products, and more. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to earn online is by offering AI-assisted writing services. AI can help you write blog posts, emails, product descriptions, and social media content much faster. You can offer these services on freelance platforms and deliver high-quality work while using AI as a productivity assistant. Always review and edit AI-generated content to make it accurate, original, and useful for your clients. AI tools can help you create YouTube scripts, titles, descriptions, and thumbnail ideas. Voice generators can create natural-sounding narration, saving you time if you don't want to record your own voice. Combine scripts, visuals, and editing tools to create educational videos that you can publish consistently. Another option is creating digital products like ebooks, planners, templates, or study guides with AI assistance. Once your product is ready, you can sell it repeatedly through online marketplaces. Digital products can continue generating sales after you've created them, although success depends on quality and marketing. AI tools can also help with graphic design, presentations, research, translation, and many other freelance services. Use AI to speed up repetitive work while adding your own creativity and expertise. Providing reliable, high-quality work is the best way to build repeat clients and positive reviews. Focus on learning one skill first, practice regularly, and continue improving. AI works best when it's combined with human judgment and creativity. Building online income usually takes time and consistent effort. There are no guaranteed overnight results. Today we covered several ways AI can help you earn online, writing services, YouTube content creation, digital products, and freelance work. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to AI Simplified for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and online income ideas. Comment below and tell me which AI tool or online income idea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and keep learning how to use AI to work smarter.